Hi, my name is Dilip Thakur. Welcome to my channel, and today I have brought a poem which is inspired from the difficulties of life. Because there is a saying that life is not the bed of roses. There are many thorns of difficulties, struggle, and only those people who overcome their problems, clear their obstacles, and keep running on the path of efforts and struggle, only they achieve success, and ultimately they write history also. So this poem clearly tells that there is no shortcut to success. It is not a mystery at all how to succeed, because if we read the autobiography of all great people, there is one thing is common, that they all struggled very hard. They all worked very hard, and finally they succeeded. So this poem is just a reminder that success only comes when we deserve it. So the title of this poem is Life Worth Without the Trouble? And it goes like this: not a mystery, not a juggle, none has won without the struggle. Not a mystery, not a juggle, none has won without the struggle. Let obstacles come your way, stay in motion night and day. Let obstacles come your way, stay in motion night or day. They will keep you on your toes. Thus you get the energy dose. They will keep you on your toes. Thus you get the energy dose. You will find what you need. Stay just focused on your deed. You will find what you need. Stay just focused on your deed. What looks big like a rock is in fact a momentary shock. What looks big like a rock is in fact a momentary shock. However long is the night, its replacement is the light. However long is the night, its replacement is the light. Why so scared due to hurdle? Is life worth without the trouble? Why so scared due to hurdle? Is life worth without the trouble? Not a mystery, not a juggle. None has won without the struggle. None has won without the struggle. So friends, stay focused on your efforts. Don't hesitate to struggle, to overcome all the problems that you face on daily basis, and I'm sure that you will reach your destination and achieve your coveted goal. So this is the poem I have brought today, and I hope that you must have enjoyed listening to it. and if you liked it, then please share it with as many people as possible, and do subscribe to our channel so that you get the first information about any new video which is going to be uploaded in future. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Goodbye.